Variation number 3. Slowly to the count, 7 and 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2. Yeah, that variation looks packed, and in fact we actually added extra detail, extra part into this combination. So I think in order to understand the structure and technique of this variation, I will go directly to that additional part that right now appeared in this combo. That extra combination of steps is executed from that position. Left leg to the side, right leg in front. The left leg is making a sweep under the right leg that you're standing on and kind of kicking out it forward, so you're landing on the left leg instead of the right leg, keeping the lock position. One more time. Once you landed on the left foot, the next what you want to do is to change your hands and to open the lock by making a kick and jump. So you need to make a kick to the side, jump to the side in order to have a space here to continue to the next sweep. Important tip: once you're reaching the position of the lock and your legs in front of you, make sure that your hips are not going down, they're not touching the floor. You have to keep your hips on the level of, let's say, imagine you want to try to do the swipe. So that's the level. And once you made the back sweep to the lock position in front, your hips are staying at the same level. Once you landed on the foot, you're already changing your hand and you're already opening the lock. All we have to do right now is to put that extra move into existing structure that you already know. So slowly together with me to the left side with the right sweep. Landing on the right toe, letting go left leg forward from the knee. Here's a small change. You're not going to the kick out. You actually trying to follow the leg on the circle and put it as much back as possible, so it take you out from the knee and give you opportunity to get up, change your hands, and to go to the move that we just learned with you. Try to follow me right now, keeping that slow pace. Starting from the right sweep to the left side. 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8